Hello, if you would like to know how to make eucalyptus and cocoa body butter, keep watching. First, add 1/2 cup of shea butter. Next, add 1/2 cup of coconut oil. Add 1/2 cup of cocoa butter. Melt them in the microwave 30 seconds each and stir. Make sure you keep on stirring it until it melts, but don't overheat it. Add 1 teaspoon of jojoba oil. Add 1 teaspoon of eucalyptus essential oil. Add 1 teaspoon of arrowroot powder. Arrowroot powder will help decrease the amount of greasiness the body butter creates. Add 1/2 teaspoon of madder root powder. This is optional. Stir the mixture with the spatula. Mix it up with an electric mixer as well. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe. Chill it in the fridge for about 30 seconds or until it's solidified. It's stored in a clean container for later use. Make sure to keep it in a cool room to prevent any melting. If it melts, put it back in the fridge until it is solidified. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Let me know in the comments how your body butter turned out. I would love to hear it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.